Pero pumasok agad sila sa seryosohan ng napakabata nila. Di ba? Hindi ho tama yun, mga kahombre ko. Kasi dapat i-enjoy mo muna ang childhood mo, ang pagkabata mo, ang pagkabinata mo, tumikim ka ng tumikim, magtikiman kayo, o gawin nyo yung mga katarantagon, kabulastugan na ginagawa at gagawin ninyo. Di ba? Tapos, saka ka sana mag-aasawa at magfo-for good sa isang babae pag nagawa mo na lahat. Hindi yung gagawa ka ng seryosong relasyon tapos sa loob ng seryosong relasyon na yun, dahil hindi mo pa natikman pala si ganito, nakalimutan mo.
Okay. Hindi ako agree dito sa sinabi niya. You should not do that, okay? Na tikim ka lang ng tikim, you having sex with this girl, and another sex in here, and you know, I'm young, I have the energy, and I have the libido, I have the testosterone, I just have sex with anyone, all right? Don't do that. You're gonna lose yourself. You'll never be content. You're gonna, all those women you have sex with, you will compare them to your relationship and you will never be satisfied. Okay? So wag na wag niyong gagawin yun. The point is, that guy who cheated should never cheat to his wife, for their daughter. You know, he has a family. Okay? So don't cheat. Don't do yung sinabi ni MG na, yeah, just play around as much as you can. When you're young, you can do it. Don't do that. You never know what's gonna happen. You can get STD. Okay? You can get a girl pregnant and you become an automatic dad because you're playing with fire. You're playing with sex. Okay? So, I disagree dyan sa sinabi niya. Just because you're young doesn't mean you do stupid things. Because there's some mistake cannot be fixed. See, people think like that. All mistake can be fixed. No. Okay? When you're young, you should not intentionally make mistake. Okay? I understand accidental mistake, but intentional mistake, okay? Yung alam mo na mali, gagawin mo because you're young, okay? And you think it can be fixed, I do not agree with that. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Just because you're young, that doesn't mean you can just have sex with everyone. Don't do that, okay? The point is yung sa nangyari sa video is you should not cheat. Okay? So that's it. Peacing out.